In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Arabic captions in CapCut. We'll walk through the built-in tools that create accurate, bilingual subtitles so your content is easier to understand and more accessible. Start by opening CapCut and creating or opening the project you want to caption. If you can, work on a stable internet connection since the Auto Caption tool uses online processing. A quick tip before we begin. Captions are only as good as the audio, so reduce background noise and pick the clearest take you have. Add your video to the timeline. You can import from your computer or drag and drop directly into the project. Then make sure the clip is selected. Scrub a few seconds to confirm you can hear the speaker clearly and that the volume isn't too low or clipping. Now, open the Captions panel. You'll find it in the main toolbar in the editor. This is where you'll generate and manage all subtitle segments. Choose Auto Captions. This tells CapCut to transcribe the spoken audio for you. You don't need to type anything manually, and timing will be placed automatically on the timeline. Next, switch to the Bilingual Captions option and set the target language to Arabic. Bilingual mode shows the original language, plus an Arabic translation in one subtitle card, which is great for learning and for viewers who prefer both versions. If there's a field for the source language, set it to the language actually spoken in your video. That helps the engine translate more accurately. For Arabic, Modern Standard Arabic is generally the safest choice for broad audiences. Click Generate to start the process. CapCut will scan the audio, create the base transcript, and translate it into Arabic. Keep the project open and avoid heavy multitasking so processing can complete smoothly. This may take a while, especially on longer clips. You'll see a progress indicator, and when it's done, the caption tracks appear on your timeline. Play through the video and review. Correct any misheard words, fix punctuation, and confirm that the Arabic reads right to left properly. Choose a font that supports Arabic characters, adjust size and line spacing, and consider a subtle text background so captions stay readable over bright scenes. Aim for no more than 2 lines per caption and keep important text within the safe margins. That's it. You opened CapCut, added your video, used auto captions, set bilingual mode to Arabic, generated the subtitles, and waited for processing to finish. With a quick polish, your video now has clear Arabic captions ready to share.